Hello, my name is Shreya, and apparently I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel since I guess. Oh, wait, I forgot my mic. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya, and I forgot about this again. But though this is not connected, it's just for the aesthetics. Anyways, so I've been wanting to start YouTube since sixth grade, and it took me 6 years, 6 freaking years, and a major character development era to actually start the camera and do this. By the way, it's very hot here, and I used to imagine having. I have a written script, by the way, because I do get distracted a lot. So I did start a channel in mid 2024, but then I deleted. I do regret all of it. I deleted that channel. I should have archived better. That was a better option, but then I deleted that in mid 2025, like midsummer, April, Mayish, which, yeah, I told you, I regret. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm touching my hair a lot. I have a habit. And if you ask me why did I delete that and why am I scared of all of this, I fear judgment a lot, even though I have encountered people really being cheerful with my YouTube channel. All my friends, my sister, and my cousin, and everyone were like very supportive ever since I wanted to do this. And it was a second grader thought actually, but then I actually taking it into consideration in sixth grade. And I've always waited for a better phone or a better thing or something better to start the whole thing. And I have been planning this particular video. I have a whole content list. Literally a whole content list that I want to start. And I was talking to a friend of mine, and then she was like, I think you should start with Instagram because people have a very short attention span, so they don't really watch big YouTube videos. They go for small to 20 to 30 seconds ke video, which is reels. So I really tried though, and I don't know, but it just doesn't sit right with me. I have always been a YouTube girly. I watch YouTube ever since my boards have. Also, I'm a 12th grader, so my boards just ended, and ever since that day, I have finished. I have literally drained the shit out of YouTube, and there is no video that I can watch right now. So I'm been like binge watching Grey's Anatomy now. So, anyways, I have been thinking of this particular thing since March, and actually no, I've been thinking about this particular video since March, and I talked to my best friend, and he was like, if you don't want to do it, you don't do it. Don't half. He said something, so don't do that, and if you just don't want to go for it, you don't go for it. Give up. And then that was like, damn, I can't just give up on something that I've been wanting since so long. It was like almost a childhood dream for me to be on YouTube. And you never know how much someone is helping you through a video, which I would agree, because I do have some YouTubers that do help me in a lot of things, and I don't really have a problem facing the camera or talking to it. Or I have a lot of videos, by the way, so many videos. I vlog, I do this, I do that, but the scary part that comes is the thought that a whole internet, like people who I don't know and who don't know me personally, would be watching that video. Would like, it scares me a little, and it sets back, it keeps me back, and it holds me from doing what I like, doing what I love. Yeah, so recording in public doesn't really scare me. A little it does, because all the people, like, they stare at you and things like that. But then especially when I'm alone, I do fear speaking in public on camera. But when I'm with my friends, I am just in that moment, and I record it so that my phone storage is really bad. It's like 90% used now. It's 90% full, and I have a very, very, very emotional attachment with every picture and every video that I click. So I am just physically and mentally unable to delete pictures and videos. Maybe it be my farewell or my scribble day or something like that. I have a separate album for that whole thing. So I really do fear deleting pictures. Even I can delete my own pictures, but I will not delete my friends' pictures or videos that I've taken in the class, or we were doing practicals and shit like that. So I do fear losing pictures and videos in that case. I've always wanted to document my life, and I'm tired of seeing people do it. And I am very happy that I envy the confidence that they get to post publicly and so fearlessly, effortlessly. So I think that I'm going to do this. I have so many time lapses, so many videos that I take with my friends, videos from my time when I did post it on the YouTube channel, but I deleted that, and this is another whole new channel. Talked about this and everything, and everyone has been so supportive with the whole thing. And I think, yeah, I just wanted to do this, so I'm doing it, because you gotta do what you gotta do at the end of the day. I read this somewhere. I saw a reel, by the way, which is what I meant by I read this, that it's only embarrassing, and it's only embarrassing to you. Wait, it's only embarrassing when you, it's something though, I don't remember right now, but it's like, it's जो तुमको embarrassing लगता है तभी लगता है जब I'm glitching, I don't know. So I think this is it. This is all, and I don't know what my niche will be. I do have a very particular niche. I will be posting study vlogs, and I will start preparing for my entrance soon. I have not started yet. Today is the 1st of April, and I wanted to start this month with a very good note and very good thing that I would start, and it's also a very good month for me. It's my birthday month, whatever you call that. So that's why I thought that let's start this. I actually procrastinated a lot with this video particularly. I ended my boards on 27th. I'm a science student, so I ended my boards on 27th, and this is the 1st of April that I'm filming it, and editing will not take that much time though, but I hope to post it by today or tomorrow, anytime. I don't know that. So I just wanted to start this month with a whole new vibe and new thing. So I hope that you like this video, and like, share and subscribe if you want. And thank you if you are still here listening to me yap about something that I've wanted to do, and just me yap. And on a very important note, go post that video, go take that exam, go fill that form, go just do whatever you love and whatever that you always wanted to do, and fear of people or something, it doesn't matter. Just do it. Later you'll thank yourself for it. And yeah, thank you.